In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a solo leveling system in Notion. We're going to build a simple setup that turns your daily productivity into a game-like experience. The idea is to make your tasks feel more motivating by giving yourself stats, quests, experience points, levels, and rewards. By the end, you'll have a personal dashboard you can come back to every day to track your growth and stay consistent. Start by creating a brand new Notion page for your solo leveling system. Give it a title that feels fun and motivating, since this will be your main hub. Think of this page as the control center for everything you're building. Keeping it all in one place makes the system easier to use and much more satisfying to update regularly. Next, add a dashboard for your character profile. This is where you'll define who you are inside the system. You can treat yourself like the main character and create a section that represents your current state, your goals, and your progress. The dashboard should feel clean and easy to scan, since you'll likely be checking it often. A well-organized profile helps make the whole setup feel more immersive and personal. After that, create your stats. These can be things like strength, intelligence, discipline, health, or productivity. Choose categories that actually reflect the areas of life you want to improve. The point here is to make your progress visible. Instead of just saying you want to be better, you're giving yourself measurable traits that can evolve over time. Keep the stats meaningful so they stay useful instead of becoming decorative. Now create a quest database for your daily tasks and missions. This is the part of the system that drives everything else. Your quests can include routines, workouts, study sessions, work tasks, or any habit you want to complete consistently. Try to write them clearly so it's obvious what counts as done. That way, your system stays practical and easy to maintain. Once your quest database is ready, assign XP points to each quest. More difficult or time-consuming tasks should usually be worth more XP, while smaller tasks can give lower amounts. This gives weight to your effort and helps create a sense of momentum as you complete things throughout the day. Then create levels based on your total XP. This is what gives your system progression. As your XP increases, your level increases too, which helps transform ordinary productivity into something that feels rewarding and game-like. Add rewards for completing quests. Rewards are important because they reinforce consistency. Keep them enjoyable but reasonable, so they motivate you without distracting from your goals. Finally, review your progress and level up as you complete tasks. Make this a regular habit. The more often you check in, the more connected you'll feel to your system, and the more motivating it becomes over time.